Hey guys, Frank here. One of the questions I've been asked a few times in the past several days is regarding the ad credits that you earn with each upgrade and auto reentry at Coinpressions2. Each time that you get a new matrix position that it cycles and you get upgrades and reentries, you're also getting additional ad credits. And one of the things that we did when we launched Coinpressions2, which was about 3 or 4 months after launch Coinpressions, is that we did a lot of integration, custom integration with our own programming team between the two opportunities since we have the same ownership. And one of the things that we integrated is that we have the ads, the ad credits that you have with a Coinpressions subscription and a Coinpressions2, all of the reentries and upgrades at all the different stages of Coinpressions2. We have the ad credits being displayed in both back offices. So what that means is to do that, we had to put the ads in one place. So I'm logged into my Coinpressions2 back office. And if you go down to where it says place ads, you should see a note here that says to place ads, visit your coinpressions.com members area. All of the ad credits earned at Coinpressions2 are credited to your Coinpressions account. All ads placed by members are placed at coinpressions.com. Coinpressions.com delivers all the ad impressions and clicks. So it says here to click the red Coinpressions button in the left menu to log into your Coinpressions back office. So when you joined Coinpressions at the same time, simultaneously, you had an account created at Coinpressions2 and vice versa. When you joined Coinpressions2, you had an account created at Coinpressions. That allows you to build two downlines with the same amount of effort, and you can toggle back and forth between the back offices. So right now I'm in the Coinpressions2 back office. I click this button here and it takes me to my Coinpressions back office. And let's go down. You can see where you place ads here, the 468, the 125, and the text ads. So let's click on the 468 by 60 ads. And it should bring up the form to place an ad here. And here we are. So I've got a total of 56,850 credits in my account right now that I have not used. To place an ad, you need two things. You need your banner URL, so it has to be hosted somewhere, and you need your website URL. That's where you want someone to go when they click on your banner. And then I've got plenty of ad credits here, and we'll place an ad. So I'm going to go over to Sure Ads, which is a friend of mine owns this program. I have an account in there, and this is my back office. So we're going to go down to we're going to place this ad right here. So it says here, and when you go find your banners at whatever opportunity you're promoting, you should see the banner HTML code down below it. And in this case, you actually have the banner URL. So what I need right here is this banner URL. I'm going to copy it. And if my mouse will cooperate there, I want to copy it. I'm going to come back into my Coinpressions back office. And I'm going to paste this URL here. If my mouse, I gotta do mouse, it's really causing me a lot of problems here. And so now I need my website URL. And so I go back over here, and my website is right here. So I need to copy that. And you can get it in other places. We'll get it in another place. We'll go back to the welcome page, and I believe it is right here. So we'll copy it from right here. That is my referral link. And we'll come back into Coinpressions2 and we'll paste that here. And that did not paste right for some reason. There it is. So you put where you want the ad to go, where you want the banner URL, what you want people to see. And then you just need to change this. I don't want to put 56,000. I want to do 1,000. and we'll change that to 1,000 ad credits. And then you want to preview. You always want to preview, and you want to check it out. So you want to preview the ad. And it's going a little slow here this afternoon. We are actually having fiber optics put in our neighborhood, and the cable is extremely slow with AT&T until they've got my yard cut up now, and they're putting fiber optics in the neighborhood, which is great because we need faster internet. And so it went there. You know, what I recommend doing is clicking it if you want to, and see where it goes. And it should take you to your you know, website, just so you make sure that your ad is working correctly, and you can see it did. And then just go back, and I'm going to read this here. There we go. So I got to put that back in. So anyhow, let's do that again, and I'll show you. We know it works now, so let's put it back in. We're going to put the link in where we want it to go. We're going to go over to the marketing material here in the back of Sure Ads, and we're going to copy the URL for this banner right here, and we're going to bring it back in and put it in up here. I've already tested the ad. I know it works. 1,000 credits is what I'm going to use. Preview, and then we're just going to add. We're not going to test anymore because I already know the ad works. I've checked it out. And so what will happen is you will submit this ad. It will come to me for review. I'm going to look at it, and obviously we've already checked it here. A lot of people place their ads, and they don't have their banner. The banner doesn't go anywhere, so I reject them. And also, please note, this has to be a 468 by 60 banner. If you're placing a 729 by 90, I will reject it. If you're placing any size ad here except a 468 by 60, I'll reject it. So I add it, and you can see it's submitted, waiting for admin approval. Same thing for text ads. For banner ads, 125 by 125. Enter your banner URL, your website URL, how many credits you want to use. So we'll do one of those here. So we've got, so here is here's a 125 by 125. So we'll put that in over here as the banner URL. And then we need our referral link for this opportunity that we're going to promote. And again, and these ads never promote. One thing I see people doing, and I approve them because I don't want to reject ads unless they're unless there's a reason to reject them. I see people advertising their Coinpressions opportunity with their Coinpressions ads. And that's really a mistake, because about 95% of the people that see your ad are Coinpressions members. You want to advertise other opportunities that you're a part of. So I'm not going to test this one. We're just going to preview it, and we're going to approve it. And it's going to go to me, to the admin, for approval. And obviously I will approve this because I know the ad is going to work. You can see the banner there, and we have a good URL, so add it. And then the same thing for text ads. You need a subject line, and you got up to 3 lines of text, and then put your where you want the person to go and how many credits you're going to use there. Real easy. And then those ads are submitted on to me for approval, and then they're displayed in the back office of Coinpressions. So with that, I'm going to close this. That's how you use your ads. They're all in the back office of Coinpressions. To get there, log into your Coinpressions2 back office, click the Coinpressions button, and then go down and you'll see Place Ads section right here. That's where your ads are, and all of your ad credits are located. That's it for this video. Thank you. Hope that helps. Goodbye.